Want to sound more natural in English? Here are 10 phrases every intermediate learner must know. What's up? Meaning, how are you? What's going on? Example, hey, what's up? You look tired. I'm just browsing. Meaning, looking around without intention to buy. Example, thanks, I'm just browsing. Long time no see. Meaning, it's been a while since we last met. Example, wow, Sarah. Long time no see. I'm running late. Meaning, I'll be late. Example, sorry, I'm running late. Be there in 10 minutes. It's up to you. Meaning, you decide. Example, where do you want to eat? It's up to you. I'm afraid I can't. Meanings, polite way to decline. Example, I'm afraid I can't come to the party. That sounds great. Meaning, I like the idea. Example, let's meet at 6, that sounds great. Thanks anyway. Meaning, thank you even though it didn't help. Example, sorry, I don't know. Okay, thanks anyway. No worries. Meaning, don't worry about it, it's okay. Example, sorry I'm late. No worries. That makes sense. Meaning, I understand. Example, oh, now that you explained it, that makes sense.